Good morning, class. Welcome to the next chapter, class 4th. Myself, Rajesh, and I'm going to teach you a new chapter taken from English Marigold, chapter number 5, and it's the poem Run. It's the poem Run. The name of the chapter is Run, and it is a poem, and this poem is written by Mary Dant. Okay, the poet of the poem is Mary Dant. Okay, she has Mary Dant, the poet. She has written a poem, Run. Now let us read. Let me read the poem. Away from the city. If you have the book with you, I request each and every students to open the book. That is page number 38. Okay, open the book, page number 38. Very good. Yes. Okay, fine. Now look at the book. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run, 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 run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Okay, now let us see the second one. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Once again, run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Third paragraph stanza. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Once again, run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Last stanza, that is the fourth stanza. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away, away. Once again, let us read the poem. फिर से पढ़ते हैं. Run, 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 run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Yes, once again, run, run, run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away, away. Yes, this is the poem. Now let us see one by one. बेटा आप गाना गाकर भी पढ़ सकते हो, इसको गाने में कन्वर्ट कर लोगे ना, then you will be able to learn it very easily. Start करते हैं. Once again, listen, look at me now. How to learn by heart? How to learn this poem? इस poem को हम याद कैसे करेंगे? What is the name of the poem? Run. Run, 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 away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Yes, run in the raindrops, run in the trees, run little races with each little bridge. Sorry, just a second. Let me switch off my mobile. Once again, let us repeat. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Run. Okay, now let us read. पहले तो पढ़ते हैं. Let us read how to memorize. Memorize means याद कैसे करेंगे? How to memorize the poem. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country. Run, run, run. Run in the raindrops. Run in the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away, away. Yes, it's very बहुत आसान है poem. आप 2-3 बार repeat करोगे. If you repeat 2-3 times in same गाना गाते हुए repeat करोगे, then you will be able to memorize or recite the poem. Okay, आप learn कर सकते हो. Learn the poem by heart. Now, before explaining the poem, I would like to explain you some word meanings written on the board. Students, look at the board. Unit number 3, chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter means the name of the poem is Run, and it is the poet, means the poet of the poem is Mary Dant. Now look here, new words. some new words are there. Raindrops. What do you mean by raindrops? Raindrop means वर्षा की बूंदे. वर्षा means बारिश का बूंद. Beneath के नीचे. Beneath means नीचे, under, पेड़ के नीचे, table के नीचे. Beneath the tree, beneath the table, under the table. Okay, now breeze. What do you mean by breeze? Breeze means हल्की हवा. हल्की. सुबह सुबह जब हवा चलती है, when you open the window in the morning, you can see cool wind blowings. हल्की हवाएं, ठंडी हवाएं बहती हैं. Likewise, that is called breeze. Hillside, पहाड़ी की ढाल means sloping of a hill. Sloping of a hill, पहाड़ी की ढाल. ये पहाड़ है और ये इसकी ढाल है. This one. Side, sloping of the hill. Okay, students. Now, what do you mean by meadow? Meadow means filled with the wild flowers, जंगली फूल या जंगली घास वगैरह हो, घास का मैदान. Now let's see. What do you mean by away? Away का मतलब होता है दूर. Away means दूर. Run away from the city. Run away from the city. Yes, away means दूर. What do you mean by lane? Lane means gully. Lane means gully. Okay. What do you mean by races? Races means दौड़. Races means दौड़. And what do you mean by country? Country means गांव. Okay. Yes. Now let me explain you the chapter paragraph by paragraph. Okay, let me explain you the chapter paragraph by paragraph. एक paragraph, एक stanza करके हम आपको explain करते हैं. Now let me explain you the poem Run. Okay, run away from the city and into the sun, out to the country. Run. In this paragraph, in stanza, the poet is asking the student. She is asking the student to run away from the crowded city, and to run to the towards the country, गांव की तरफ दौड़ के. कवि आपसे ये कह रहा है कि ये भीड़ भाड़ शहर की तरफ से दौड़ कर निकलिए और गांव की तरफ चलिए. Where you can, there are lots of space, बहुत सारे space है गांव की तरफ. Yes, when you move in the city, आप शहर की तरफ जाते हो तो वहाँ बहुत crowded होते हैं. यहाँ इतनी सारी buildings, there are lots of buildings, so we cannot see the sun or the sky. But when we come to our village or our countryside का मतलब होता है अपने गांव की तरफ जब हम आते हैं, then we can see the clear sky, means we are running into the sun here. I hope you understand. आपको समझ में आया पहला stanza? Run away from the city. यानी city से दूर, शहर से दूर भागिए. Run from the city and run into the sun. Into the sun means सूरज में नहीं दौड़ना है, लेकिन सूरज की तरफ दौड़ना है. तो सूरज कहाँ दिखेगा? Where we can see the sun. We can see the sun where there is no houses, no building. खेत की तरफ अगर हम दौड़ के जाते हैं तो चारों तरफ आसमान खुला हुआ दिखेगा. And we can run into the sun. तो here the poet is asking you, कवि आपसे ये कह रही हैं कि आप शहर की तरफ से run away from the city and run into the sun, run towards out to the country. run यानी गांव की तरफ भाग कर आइए, खुले में आइए, so that you can get fresh air, so that there is fresh air, and running will also make you fit. It will keep you fit. Okay, now let us see. Run in the raindrops, run neath the tree. What? One more. Look here. What do you mean by neath? Neath. Neath means beneath. Look here. Neath means beneath. Beneath means के नीचे. Now, okay, look here. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with it little bridge. In this stanza, in second stanza, the poet is asking you to run in the raindrops. हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही है. The poet is asking you, या हम भी जब बच्चे होते हैं, अगर बारिश होती है हल्की हल्की तो हम छत पे दौड़ जाते हैं. Yes or no? Right or wrong? Right. अगर right है तो हाथ उठा दो. हल्की हल्की गर्मी हो रखी है. It is very warm, the humidity, and when it is raining drop by drop, हल्की हल्की, तो हम छत पे दौड़ के चले जाते हैं. Likewise, here the poet is asking the students of class 4 that run in the raindrops. वर्षा की बूंदों में दौड़ो. Run neath the trees. पेड़ के नीचे दौड़ो. Run neath the trees means के नीचे, पेड़ के नीचे दौड़ो. Run little races. और जो हवा बहती है हल्की हल्की वर्षा की बूंदे, जब हल्की हल्की जब वर्षा की बूंदे आती है, when little drops of rain is falling, then we can feel that cool wind are also blow. it's also blowing. आपको हल्की हल्की हवा भी दिखेगी कि वो सॉरी दिखेगी नहीं, आपको महसूस होगा कि वो ब्लो कर रही है, मीन्स चल रही है. तो आपको कवि, द पोएट, शी इज आस्किंग यू टू रन, टू रेस विथ अ लिटिल ब्रिज, यानी जो हल्की हवा चल रही है उसके साथ रेस लगाइए, दौड़िए. रन 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 रन. ओके. रन डाउन द हिल साइड, रन डाउन द हिल साइड, यानी कि यहाँ पे देखिए हिल साइड्स का मतलब होता है पहाड़ी की ढाल. यहाँ पे ये आपने देखा, यहाँ से ऊपर से नीचे आइए दौड़ते हुए. रन डाउन द हिल साइड, यू आर स्टैंडिंग हियर एंड द पोएट इज आस्किंग यू टू रन फ्रॉम हियर. यस, yes, run down the hillside, ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ आते हैं, then our speed becomes more fast. Yes, ये बताओ, if we run from a hill's top, hill के टॉप से अगर नीचे की तरफ दौड़ते हैं, then we gain more what, energy, more speed, ज्यादा स्पीड आती है. but when we come up the lane again, ऊपर की तरफ आएंगे तो हमारी स्पीड नीचे हो जाएगी. Here the poet she is asking you that run down the hillside, run up the lane, गलियों की तरफ दौड़ो, गलियों में दौड़ो, पहाड़ी की चोटी से नीचे दौड़ो. रन थ्रू द मीडो, मीडो मीन्स घास का मैदान, घास का मैदान, घास के मैदान में दौड़िए और वापस आइए, घास के मैदान में दौड़िए, एंड देन रन बैक अगेन. यस, दिस इज द थर्ड स्टेंजा. नाउ run and be merry. What do you mean by merry? Merry means प्रसन्न होना, खुश होना, प्रसन्न होना. merry means प्रसन्न होना, खुश रहो, दौड़ो और खुश रहिए, दौड़िए और प्रसन्न रहिए, खुश रहिए. all through the day, all through the day, यहाँ पे याद रखिएगा बेटा, कवि ने आपसे कहा कि सुबह दौड़िए और पूरे दिन खुश रहिए. मीन्स do exercise in the morning, run in the morning and be healthy and happy all through the day. आप सुबह सुबह डेली जॉगिंग करोगे, एक्सरसाइजेस करोगे तो आप फिट रहोगे. यस, और पूरा दिन आपका अच्छा जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, run to the country, away away away. Yes, and then come back again to your country. चारों तरफ दौड़ने के बाद आप अपने गांव की तरफ वापस आइए. away away away. Yes, this is your poem. Means students, not only this, ये पोएम बहुत पहले का लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन आज के डेट में भी ड्यू टू कोरोना वायरस मेनी पीपल्स आर डाइंग. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू डू एक्सरसाइज on the terrace, छत पे जाइए. in the morning, wake up early in the morning, do exercise and be happy all through the day. सुबह सुबह एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, then you will be fine and your brain will be what to say, it will be fresh. आपका दिमाग एकदम फ्रेश रहेगा, एकदम ताजा रहेगा. क्लासेस आप अटेंड करोगे, यूनिफॉर्म पहनिए, बैठिए, सिट डाउन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मोबाइल एंड लिसन केयरफुली टू द टीचर्स. यस, नाउ once again let me explain you. In this poem, the poet means the kavi, she is asking you to do exercise. सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट, रन का मतलब क्या होगा, आपको कवि या कोई आपको दौड़ने के लिए क्यों कहेगा. means the poet, she wants children to be fit and fine. She wants the children to run from the city. City से बाहर दौड़िए, city में मत दौड़िए. Don't run in the city. Run out of the city into the sun, where you can see no buildings are there. If you run out of the city, and where into the village, you can see a clear sky. Means you can see the sun. Okay. Next, run in the raindrops. The poet is asking you, run in the raindrops. What do you mean by raindrop? बरसा की बूंदों में दौड़िए. Run neath the tree. Neath means beneath. नीचे, पेड़ के नीचे दौड़िए. And make a race with the cool blowing breeze. हल्की ठंडी हवा जो बहती है उसके साथ आप रेस लगाइए. The poet is asking you, yes, run. Yes, run down the hillside. पहाड़ की ढाल से नीचे दौड़िए. Run into the lane, गलियों में दौड़िए. Run in the meadow means घास के मैदान में दौड़िए. And then come back again. Run and be merry all day through. Run, आप सुबह दौड़ेंगे. If you do exercise the whole day, you will be happy. Okay, run and be happy all through the day. Means if you do exercise every day, then you will be happy all through the day. Means if you do exercise, you will be fit. अगर आप fit रहेंगे, if you are fit, then your mind will become sharp. You will be able to understand what others are saying or what your teacher is explaining. But if you sleep till 7 o'clock, then you become a sleepy head. आप sleepy head हो जाओगे. It means you will become very lazy. when you are sitting in front of the mobile, what a teacher is saying, you will simply listen, but it will never enter your mind. So students, to keep yourself healthy and fit, try to run, means try to do exercise. इट डजेंट मीन कि भाई छत से नीचे दौड़ जाना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आप छत के ऊपर या गलियों में आप दौड़ सकते हो, बट डोंट टच अदर्स। नाउअडेज द डिजीज इज स्प्रेडिंग, so don't touch others. Use masks if you go out of the out of your house. Use masks, sanitizer, and be safe. And if you don't have any work, don't go out of the house of your home. Stay home and stay safe. Okay, so this was the poem. Once again, let me read the poem. Very nice to read, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है पढ़ते समय। Look, start कैसे करेंगे? Away from the city, don't start from there. Run, 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 away from the city and into the sun, out to the country. Run, run, run. Yes. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, and then run back again. Run and be merry the whole day through. Run to the country, away, away, away. Yes, this was your poem. ये आपका poem था. In this poem, the poet, she is asking, see, यहाँ पे महिला है बेटा, जो कवि है वो महिला है, इसलिए मैं ही नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं सी यूज कर रहा हूँ. It's a she here, Mary Daunt. It's a name of a girl, means it's a name of a woman. It's a lady. It's a feminine gender. स्त्रीलिंग है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे शी कह रहा हूँ. सी इज आस्किंग यू एंड मी, मुझे, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो मुझसे भी कह रही है कवि, एंड आपसे भी कह रही है कवि, कि रन इन डिफरेंट वेदर्स, अलग अलग मौसम में दौड़िए. रन इन डिफरेंट मॉडल्स, व्हाट वेदर. द चिल्ड्रन शुड एंजॉय द रेन ड्रॉप्स. बारिश की बूंदों को, कवि ये कह रही है कि बारिश की बूंदों का भी आनंद लीजिए. रन इन द रेन ड्रॉप्स. यस. एंड देन, and when you run in the raindrops, you feel the cool breeze. ठंडी ठंडी हवा का एहसास होता है. कब? जब आप when you are running in a raindrops and suddenly you stop, you can feel cold wind blowing. Then you enjoy. आपको अच्छा लगता है. आप you become merry. आप प्रसन्न हो जाते हो. And not only this, if you here the poet is saying that if a student start running, agar subah subah दौड़ता है, if he or she is doing exercise, she will be healthy and fit and she will be able to achieve his goal. Means आप बचपन से ही ये आदत डालते हो कि how to keep yourself fit, how to keep yourself maintained. Then the poet is saying that every student will be able to successful, they will be successful and they'll be able to achieve their goal. बचपन से अगर बच्चा दिमाग का शार्प होता जाएगा, if he or she is not becoming lazy, then a day will come when the child will be a successful person. Okay, तो आप अभी से अपने क्लासेस को बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली लीजिए. एक साल अगर आप नहीं पढ़ते हैं, इफ यू डोंट स्टडी वन ईयर, देन यू विल बिकम लेजी. आपको पढ़ने का मन नहीं करेगा. आप ये देखो बेटा, एक टीचर भी आपको यहाँ स्कूल आकर के आपके सामने एक लैपटॉप के सामने पढ़ा रहा है, उसकी भी जिंदगी खतरे में है और आपकी भी. तो आप तो घर पे हो, राइट ना? सो आप डोंट मिस द क्लासेस एंड ओबे योर पेरेंट्स एट होम. डोंट ट्राई टू क्वारल. आप मोबाइल तभी तक यूज करेंगे जब आपकी क्लासेस हो, उसके बाद डोंट यूज मोबाइल. if you have work, अगर आपको वर्क है कि मुझे ये नोट्स लिखना है, then use. Don't use and don't use other don't open other things. कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं खोलेंगे. आपको जिस चीज से काम है आप वही खोलेंगे. Okay, so in this poem, now let me explain again. Let me explain you again that here the poet, she's asking, Mary Dunt, the poem, she's asking that run away from the city. Run away. Students, don't be in crowded. City means crowded. What do you mean by crowd? Bheed bhaad. Crowd means bheed bhaad. And the poet is asking that don't stay in the crowded area. Crowded भीड़ भाड़ इलाके में मत रहिए. आप अकेले में दौड़िए और अकेले शहर से दूर जाइए. Run away from the city and where? Run into the sun. Sun means ऊपर, आपको sun की तरफ दौड़ने के लिए नहीं कह रहा है. Run in the open air means खुले आसमान के नीचे दौड़िए. Yes, खुले आसमान के नीचे दौड़ने के लिए कवि आपसे कह रहा है. And run towards the country. Country means village, गांव. Country means village और गांव. गांव की तरफ दौड़िए जहां पे आपको open spaces. You will find open spaces to run. So the poet is asking you to run away from the city, run into the sun, means run in the open space, run out to your country, run in the raindrops, run in the raindrops, run in the raindrops, and run neath the trees, neath the trees. What do you mean by neath the trees? Neath the trees means below the tree, under the tree. Run neath the tree. This is your tree, means run here. You can see run. You can see even in the your copy, sorry, in your book, that some students are running neath the tree, means beneath the tree, and make a race with the blowing winds. चलती हुई ठंडी हल्की हवा के साथ दौड़ लगाइए. Here the poem is asking, not only this, the poem the poet is asking you to run up the hillside, no, run down the hillside, sorry, run down the hillside, run up the lane. गलियों के ऊपर, गलियों में दौड़िए, गलियों में दौड़ना, पहाड़ी की ढाल, स्लॉपिंग ऑफ अ हिल, उस पे से दौड़ना, रन थ्रू द मीडो, घास के मैदान में दौड़िए. मींस वंस अगेन आई एम लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. आप नंगे पांव अगर सुबह सुबह घास के मैदान में दौड़ते हो तो आपकी आंख की रोशनी और दिमाग बहुत तेज होता है. सो हियर द पोएट is asking you that run in the meadow, means घास के मैदान में दौड़िए, and then run back again, फिर वापस आइए. Run and be merry the whole day through. आप सुबह दौड़िए और पूरे दिन खुश रहिए. बी हैप्पी द होल डे. रन टू द कंट्री, गांव की तरफ दौड़िए. एंड अवे अवे अवे. दिस वाज योर पोएम. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. एक बार और पढ़ के सुनाता हूं, और मेरे साथ अगर आप घर पे हैं तो आप बोल सकते हैं. मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आपकी आवाज. आई कांट हियर यू, बट आई नो दैट यू कैन हियर मी. यस, सो ट्राई टू फॉलो विथ मी. लेट अस स्टार्ट. 1 2 3. Run, 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 away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all day through, all through the day, run to the country, away, away, away. Once again. Run, 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 away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away, away. Yes, this was your poem. This was your poem. ये आपका poem था. और there are some questions. Let us try to discuss. Let us try to discuss. आपस में बात करते हैं थोड़ा सा. Okay. So don't disturb the class, student. Okay ना? So it is my request to every student to learn and recite the poem. Okay. Learn the poem, recite the poem. It will be your homework. Okay. And if you are able to read the poem, and if you are able to recite the poem, then in next exam I hope I may be asking some question from the same chapter. Run, run, run. Okay class, thank you. This was your poem, and try to recite and learn the poem, and I'll be sending you. Don't write the word meaning which is given on the board, because I will send you the word meaning, that is from English to English and then Hindi. So don't write this one. इसको नहीं लिखना है आपको. Okay. Okay, now raise your hand. Yes, okay. Don't write the word meaning on the board which is given on the board. Try to write the word meaning which I provide you through my WhatsApp. I will send you through my WhatsApp. उसको लिखना है. First English word, English meaning, and then Hindi meaning. Okay. So now, if you have any doubt in the poem, if you have any doubt in the poem or any problem, then you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.